Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about what to do with your old estate planning documents. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. What to do with old estate planning documents. Just did an update for some clients this morning, and they have a bunch of old stuff. They brought the whole thing into me to look at, and while impressive and overwhelming, it's all not really that necessary to keep. So I wanted to talk about that so that you could make sure that you are keeping the things that you need to keep and discarding the things that you don't need, so that you can, just sort of like prevent confusion in the future, okay? So when it comes to things that you need to keep, here's the way that I said it. If you have multiple, we'll just run through the different documents really. So power of attorney. When you make a new power of attorney, you typically revoke the old power of attorney 99.9% of the times. So if you have a new power of attorney and you have an old power of attorney, before I say this, please consult your estate planning attorney before you do any of this stuff. Just make sure. But generally, if you have an old power of attorney and you have a new power of attorney, you're going to be able to throw away the old power of attorney. Same thing for your medical power of attorney. Same thing for your healthcare directive. Same thing for your disposition instructions. When it comes to wills, things are a little bit different. You don't always, technically things are the same. If you have an old will and you have a new will, like a brand new will, the new will is going to revoke the old will. So you can probably throw that old will away. However, if you have made changes to a will, that's called a codicil, C-O-D-I-C-I-L, codicil, then that codicil is going to sit on top of your will. So do not throw away your will if you have a codicil. Those two things go together. When it comes to trusts, typically, if you revoke a trust formally, which requires a sort of a specific document, then you can probably throw away the trust, but I would just encourage you to hold on to any trust documents that you have generally. If you amend a trust, same thing as a will, that trust amendment is going to sit on top of your trust. So you definitely do not want to throw your trust away. So to summarize, if you have created new documents, power of attorney, medical power of attorney, healthcare directive, will, disposition instructions, you can generally throw out the old, okay? But before you do that, talk to somebody, make sure. If you have a trust, typically you're going to just hang on to that document forever. If you make amendments to that trust, you're going to set them on top. If you make changes to your will in the form of a codicil, you're going to set it on top of your will. You're not going to throw those things away. And that is that. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. If it does, great. If it does not, and you have a question or comment, please leave it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. And if you do not want to miss any future episodes and there is a subscribe button around you, hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another episode. All right, that is it. And if you have questions related to or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.